Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and if you saw my last pour with the cactus, you saw that I had all of this left over, and I put this on under my pour. It is a chopping mat from the Dollar Tree, so you don't even have to do a pour. You can just use your paints and pour right onto here to get your own skin. So this is called skin. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a piece off of here. And then once you get it up, you can just pull it off. And it comes off so nicely. And you get these great little skins here that you can use for jewelry making if you'd like. But you can use this side. You can also use this side. Look at how beautiful this piece is here. Now this piece, you might like the other side better. It's all up to you. So I'm just going to cut these little skins because I'm not going to be using this part right here. And then you can save it for something else. And then decide what you want. I'm going to move this little guy out of the way for the time being. Okay, now we've got our skin that we want here. We're going to decide where we want it. I've got my glass piece here, and then the tray that goes in, and then I've got my little cord necklace here. So I really like this bronze piece right here, and the other side for me right now is a little bit too green, so I'm going to go with this area. It's so pretty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just kind of lay that. We're going to take some, this is art glitter. It dries clear. It's called art glitter. And we're just going to put a little bit of glue on here. And again, it will dry clear. And what I'm going to do is grab this piece and decide exactly where I want this to go. And I think I like it right there. So now I'm going to push, and you'll see the air bubbles, and we're getting rid of those air bubbles. And we're sticking that. You can come back to here if you need to be able to push that down and get rid of any air bubbles. And you just let it sit for a while after all your bubbles are gone. You're just going to let it sit on here. Still trying to work a couple out to the side. I think that's the hardest part of this, is getting those air bubbles out. So once they pop out, you're good, but it's just a matter of getting them there and keeping everything that you want still inside. Okay, so we've got that down. Now we're just going to take our scissors, once that's all dry, and you're going to just go right around. And I said once it's all dry, you don't have to wait for it to dry. Save any of these other pieces. You might want to make another one. And then once you've got all those air bubbles out, then we'll be able to glue that in place. Look how pretty that is, and it's only going to get prettier as it dries. So you're going to take your tray now, and you're going to add your glue. I do that every time. You're going to take and add that glue in there to the tray. And just use your baby wipe to clean this off, but you're also going to need your baby wipe because if you put too much, it's going to sneak out the side. So decide where you want this, how you want it to be. And I think I'm trying to see, I think I want it right at an angle like that. Then you just push it out. If you didn't put too much glue, it's not going to pop out the sides, which is perfect. But if you put too much glue, it might come out the sides here. Then you just take your baby wipe, wipe it down, and you're good. So then once you're done there, you're just going to put your necklace through, and it is ready to go onto my Etsy shop. So if you'd like to purchase one of these, I already did this one earlier. Now this one, I used the back side of this skin. So look how pretty those are, and these will both be on my Etsy shop if you would like to support my channel and purchase one of these. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.